Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Brother MFC-J4335DW printer to Wi-Fi. First, power on your Brother MFC-J4335DW printer. Make sure your wireless router is also on and working properly. For the best signal, position your printer within a reasonable distance, ideally within 50 feet of your wireless router. This ensures a strong and stable connection for the setup process. We'll get you printing wirelessly in no time. Next, we'll use the printer's control panel. On your printer's touchscreen display, navigate to the network or Wi-Fi settings. From there, select the Setup Wizard or WLAN Setup Wizard option. The printer will then automatically begin searching for all available wireless networks in your area. This step is crucial for finding your home network and moving forward with the connection. Once the printer has found available networks, you'll need to choose your home Wi-Fi network from the displayed list. After selecting your network, carefully enter your Wi-Fi network password, also known as the security key, using the printer's keypad. Double-check your entry for accuracy, as even one incorrect character can prevent a successful connection. Confirm the password to proceed. Finally, the printer will attempt to connect to your chosen network. Upon a successful connection, you will see a confirmation message on the printer's screen. To verify everything is working, print a test page directly from the printer's menu. Once confirmed, your Brother MFC-J4335DW is ready. You can now print wirelessly from any device connected to the same Wi-Fi network, enjoying seamless printing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.